This material maker graph is a mess, and the longer you ignore it, the worse it's going to get. Custom nodes fix that. I've got a simple material set up here to demonstrate. Select any nodes you want to group by dragging your mouse over them, then go to Tools, Create Group. You're now inside a subgraph containing those nodes. Hit the arrow in the top right corner to go back to the parent, and you'll see all of those nodes are now in a single clean node. Double-click the node to open the subgraph again. Inside, you'll find 3 special nodes: inputs, outputs, and parameters. Inputs are what comes in, outputs are what goes out, and parameters are settings you can expose and control from the parent graph. Let's set up an output for this color map. Click the plus on the outputs node, name it, I'm going to call it color map, set the port type to RGBA, then connect your output node into it. Go back to the parent and you'll see the output port is now live on your custom node, and the same process works for our inputs. Now let's do this with a larger bundle of nodes. I want my cloud and crystal noise nodes to become inputs so I can swap in different noises later on, my uniform color values to become parameters, and my albedo blend, roughness, and normal map to become my outputs. Select all of those nodes, go to Tools, Create Group. Because some of those nodes already had connections, the inputs and outputs are partially wired up already. We just need to name them. I'll label the outputs albedo, normal, and roughness, and for inputs, mortar noise and albedo noise. Back to the parent graph, all of those nodes are now one single node. Rewire it into your material and it's going to behave exactly as it did before. Let's also expose some controls. Double-click back into the subgraph and rename it Brick Generator. Go to the Parameters node, click Add Linked Control, and select one of your uniforms. I'm going to grab the base brick color and then add another for mortar color. Name them Brick and Albedo Color. Back in the parent, you can now edit those parameters right on the node, and you can do this for any setting, like if you wanted to add one more for the mortar size. And this is where it gets really powerful. Select your custom node, go to Tools, Add Selection to User Library, give it a name. If you want to organize it in a category, use a backslash. Now open your node list on the left. Your brick generator is right there, ready to drag into any project. And that's custom nodes. Group your mess, expose what matters, and save it for every future project. The source files for this material are on my Patreon, along with all of my other Material Maker and Godot Engine projects. If you want to see more Material Maker tutorials on this channel, let me know in the comments. Like the video, it helps the algorithm, pleases the YouTube gods, and as always, thanks for watching, and keep creating.